Hey, I'm Mishka and we are back in the Biwa kitchen, and today we are making an anti-inflammatory Moroccan chicken tagine with olives and prunes. Okay, so it is one of the recipes from our anti-inflammatory cookbook, which is also an incredible resource to have, just to know how to utilize certain ingredients to benefit your body, especially when you're going in line to the anti-inflammatory recipes and food, and just how to eat to maintain your system. So from this array of color and fragrances that is coming off my table over here, everything here looks really playful, and this is what's going to infuse all that flavor and the health benefits into your meal. You can see we are not going to be using any sugar. We're going to be using natural ingredients to infuse their flavors into this dish, so each bite is a whole new exploration of taste, flavor and texture. And all we have to do is begin. So we have over here 500 grams of chicken. Okay, cool. So we want to marinate our meat first. So first we're going to get 1 teaspoon of our ground turmeric. We have 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Smells so delicious, so aromatic. 1 teaspoon of ground coriander over here. And our last spice that we're adding is just half a teaspoon of our ground cumin. Now I do have 1 teaspoon of salt that I'm also going to marinate with. Freshly ground pepper, it's also about a 1 teaspoon. Okay, so this is all mixed up. I'm going to set this aside, and now I'm ready to get my onions done. You're going to get a medium onion. You can also go with a brown onion, and this needs to be nice and chopped up, so nice and finely chopped. And we're going to do the same for the garlic. Okay, cool. So our next anti-inflammatory component is the Biwa Pure Canola Oil. Such an incredible one, especially because it's the start of most meals. It is your oil. And this canola oil is packed with omega-3, which is an essential fatty acid and that has been shown for its amazing anti-inflammatory benefits. Not only that, it has been endorsed by, the Cancer Association. It also has the Heart and Stroke Foundation South Africa endorsement, which means that there are enough companies backing this up to say, well, you know what, it's a better ingredient for better living. Okay, so onions we are going in. We're going to saute them till they are nice and blush. And then we're going to be adding in our 3 cloves of garlic. That will go in. Okay, cool. So my onions and my garlic are done sauteed, and my chicken has been marinating for a good amount of time. So that means we are ready to get the two together. I'm just going to add 1 cup of chicken broth. Okay, so next I have 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm going to add that in as well. 1 nice tablespoon of ground or minced ginger. Okay, I have 2 chopped up chilies. And then I have 1 piece of cinnamon stick that I've just broken up. I have juice of half a lemon. Other half a lemon that we haven't squeezed, we've zested that, and that's going to go in. I am going to be using prunes. And so I have prunes over here, and then to balance out that sweetness that these prunes release, and with every biteful you get, you can have an equal amount of like a fresh green flavor of your olives. So green olives are going in. We are going to add in 1 cup of our plain Greek yogurt, about 1/4 chopped parsley, fresh parsley over here, a half of fresh coriander, but I'm going to keep a little bit for garnish or afterwards. And now the best part is just to stir everything together, and then I'm going to replace the lid. You can already see it bubbling. Wow. Okay, so make sure that you reduce the heat to medium to low, and if you are replacing the lid, especially in a tagine, so that it can create a slow process of cooking, and I will get back to you in 20 minutes time. My kitchen smells amazing. Okay, this is a big reveal. It is quite hot, but it's okay. Okay.